How to remove volume limit on Samsung phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we'll guide you through on how we can remove the volume limit on Samsung Android phone. So let's go on to the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon and turn on the notification bells to get notified about our latest videos. So turning on the volume limit on Samsung is super easy. You may just tap on the volume button on your screen. After that, you'll be able to see this. So tap on the three dot after it appears on your screen and you can see this settings option at the upper corner. Just tap on it and then you'll be taken to this volume settings here. So on the top, you can find a three dot at that settings upper right corner. Just tap on it and you can find this option called media volume limit. Just click on it and you can see this option is on here. So if you have this option turned off, just turn it on and make sure you can see this movable thing right now on my screen. You may just turn it at the right side corner, swipe it to the right until you're able to find this red line on your screen. After that is done, that's how you basically set up the volume limit on your device. So follow those steps in order to set up your volume limit. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.